Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today I will show you a new project called Jack and the Bnb Stalk. And indeed it is very new because it's not even available right now, because the launch will be in 2 hours and 18 seconds. So what is this all about? I would say it's pretty easy to understand. So basically it's a Bnb miner, so to say. That means you stake your Bnb and you get rewards. For those of you who don't know how this works, create a MetaMask. I mean, this is very easy. You can just read the docs here. Then you put Bnb in your MetaMask wallet. Then you connect your MetaMask wallet with the app here. And then you stake your Bnb. I mean, you can just read it here if you don't know how it works or if it's your first time. So then the minimum amount that you can stake is 0.2 Bnb. The price of Bnb right now is about $290. So you can make the calculation, okay? So there are different levels of dividends, okay? And stake or unstake at any time, okay? You can do this. When a new stake is made, overall yield accrual is set to 1% until day 10 and 2% next day 10, 3% and so on. Staking fee is a flat 10%, use the earnings calculator to determine how much a stake will earn daily. So guys, let's go here. You can see here are 6 different levels of dividends. Level 1 is from day 1 to 10, you get 1%. Level 2 is from day 10 to 20, you get 2%. From day 20 to 30, 3%, and so on. And if you get to this level here, day 40 to 50, you get 5% daily. There are unstaked fees. That's good. I mean, because you can see here the percentages go up and here the percentages go down. That means you will get somewhat punished much more if you unstake in the first day, so to say, because if you take out your investment in the first days, you will have a 20% fee. After 10 to 20 days, you will have a 6% fee. And if you keep it, the longer you keep it, the fewer is the fee that you have to pay. So if you unstake it day 40 to 50, you just have an 8% unstake fee, an 8% unstake fee, and that's it. So for example, this, I mean, that's why it doesn't make sense, because this should help. This project has a good longevity, because if you unstake after a few days and people take out their earnings, that is usually the beginning of the end, because the contract value goes down and then some people get nervous and take out their investments, and then they can't pay the dividends anymore, and that's how usually projects like this die, so to say, okay? Or just give you such a small amount daily that it doesn't make really sense. So let's say, for example, let's take a look at the calculator. Let's say we have 5 BNB, and because there's a 10% tax that you have to pay for staking, your initial investment will be 5.4 BNB, okay? Days stake, let's say we go to 30 days. After 30 days, you will have 4.05 BNB earned. Not bad. Let's say you make it to day 40, then you will have 7.2 BNB earned. So that's how it should work. But guys, always do your own research before you invest your money in any of those projects, because why? Because you never know how long such a project works. So always do your own research before you invest your money in those projects. But yes, you never know, it could work. And it's very new, and usually if you're one of the first investors, you have a good chance to get at least your money back or to make a profit, okay guys? So if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.